Hello and welcome back to another video. And today we are back with another quick YouTube video. I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. I just wanted to drop this video just as an educational video and as well a quick way for Ethereum users to save a lot of money in gas. Now I had to learn through this the hard way. And if you guys don't know about me, if you guys are new to my channel, first of all, thank you for watching. Welcome. It's mainly to do with TitanX, ladies and gentlemen. TitanX is one of the most bullish projects that I am in. Okay, and it's on Ethereum. This is the land of all whales. This is where people become millionaires, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it makes sense. I know why. Okay, but one of the consequences of being such a great performing network is that the gas fees go high up as well. Okay, yes, we understand that you can find the best times where, you know, volume is low, gas fees are lower. But sometimes it's still inevitable. And one of the reasons why is because of MEV-bot attacks, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, what MEV-bots attacks is basically, you know, either you being front-run or you being back-run or both, which is known as a sandwich attack. So there's a lot of people running MEV-bots over in Ethereum. And it's all to do with that. That's contributing to way higher gas fees that you're paying. And there's another step that I'm going to show you guys on also how to reduce your gas fees on Ethereum, and we're going to go through it. But without further ado, let's check out MEV Blocker, the best MEV protection under the sun. It's going to be a quick video, and it's as simple as clicking 2 clicks to add it to your wallet. Okay, MEV Blocker is your personal protection from front-running and sandwich attacks for a broad spectrum of Ethereum transactions. So basically, it's as simple as, ladies and gentlemen, it's as simple as literally changing the RPC. Everything stays the same. So you have this normal Ethereum mainnet that you see that. I have another one that's redirecting the RPC to another RPC that's more private. And we're going to check out how does it work really. So yeah, and it's as simple as that really. So add the RPC endpoint directly to your wallet. Enjoy full automatic protection from all types of MEVs. Get paid by searchers for your transactions. So you do get some type of profit actually in behind that. So yeah, basically, you know, full protection from front-running and sandwich attacks on all types of transactions. Profit from any back-running opportunities your transactions create. A fast, free, censorship-resistant solution open to all searchers and builders. So MEV bots have extracted more than 1.38 billion from well-meaning Ethereum Ethereum users across a variety of use cases: trading, providing liquidity, minting, NFTs, etc. MEV Blocker is an RPC endpoint that supports these users by offering, etc. Okay, so as simple as that. Once you scroll down, link in the description, you click on Add to Wallet, or you can do it manually by adding, you know, you go on MetaMask on the top right, and then you basically go here, and then you click on Add Network. It opens a new tab, and then what you want to do is basically once this loads, add network manually, and then right here literally fill in the blanks. Simple as that. It's literally everything's the same. The block block explorer is the same, Ethereum obviously the same, chain ID is obviously the same, RPC is the only thing different, and network name, you can name it whatever you want, but that's the name that they gave it. And as simple as that. Just make sure you're always, because when you go in dApps, they always try to change you to Ethereum, so make sure you do it manually. Make sure that you're always on the MEV Blocker, not on normal Ethereum. Okay, so you have to, that's one thing you do have to check. Okay, so yeah, frequently asked questions, as I said, what is MEV? I kind of covered over it. Those are the attacks, front-running, back-running, or sandwich attacks. So how does it really work? Before we get to step 2 on how you can save those gas fees even further, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, from just adding this, looking at what others are saying, it's really funny. MEV Blocker fixed my marriage. Robots should work for me, not against me, and that's kind of what it does. There's kind of like this auctioning system. I was tired of getting wrecked, so I started using MEV Blocker. Nobody's stolen my lunch money since I started using MEV Blocker. If I'd known about MEV Blocker sooner, I could have had a Lambo by now. I used MEV Blocker and I instantly went up a tax bracket. That's funny, man. And it did work, guys. I can assure you guys, I literally went from 50, 40, 60 at some point dollars for a transaction, and when I changed to MEV Blocker, literally right now I've been averaging $10 to $15 per transaction, guys. Ooh, it's amazing down here now. You know what I mean? With TitanX, everyone who watches my videos and knows about TitanX, it's such a great time. It gets your profit margins bigger now. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, honestly, it's really great. Obviously, you can see who made the MEV Blocker. There are 3 kind of people, or 3 kind of protocols or whatever you call them. And look, they're partners. This is a legit thing, guys. Honestly, I really like how it works. You guys can obviously click in the link in the description to read more about it. How does the MEV blocker works? So you can see it facilitates an auction between a network of searchers, which basically are bots, right? Oh, where did it go? Who are given the opportunity to backrun your transactions. In return, they protect you from front-running and sandwich attacks, the nasty types of MEV that exploit Ethereum users every day. When searchers submit winning bids through the order flow auction, MEV blocker sends the full amount of the bid to users and validators at a 90-10 split. Validators keep 10% and we keep the 90%, which is really interesting. As long as you have the MEV blocker set as the RPC in your wallet, as if there's no weren't any other network, you're protected from front running and sandwiching when using any Ethereum dApp, and the profit share from back running is deposited automatically into your wallet. Really great stuff, honestly. The final step, okay, this is a minor one, but you know, it could have a, you know, it's not really a risk. You know, you do have a chance of your transaction to be rejected because it's, you know, you're just setting it on a setting that's low, and we're going to get to that. So for example, let's say I am trying to buy Titanex, or I'm trying to mine, or I'm trying to do whatever I want. So let's say, you know, I go to type in Titanex. Okay, let's say I wanted to sell it, for example. Okay, slippage, obviously always keep in mind with slippage, this is independent of whether you're on MEV blocker or not. So I am on a MEV blocker, right? This is step one, doing that. As you know, most of your margins change to that, reduce to that. Look at this, $8.4, really great stuff, man. Really great stuff. So when you click on swap, this is what I wanted to talk about. Okay, the last step that you can make use of, okay, is changing one small little setting on MetaMask. So when you click on next right here, when it's a transaction, you see that market thing right there with the fox emoji? You want to click on that and then click on low. Okay, the time is kind of the same amount of time on the market, but it does reduce it. Can you see that? 1.12 something, and then right, and then 0.9. So that's basically a 30% decrease in the maximum fee, right? It doesn't really update the number, but in the back end, it does reduce it. There is a chance for you to get way lower. Now, keep that in mind that yes, this is on low. That means your transaction might take longer for those nodes to pick up your transaction and then, you know, solve it and then put it in the blockchain. But if you're not in a rush, you might as well do this. So for example, in Titanex, if I'm making a miner, if I'm staking, if I'm claiming, I'm going to put it on low. There's no rush. If I'm buying a token, selling a token, there's no rush. You guys understand? So this is the second step. I hope you guys enjoy this video and got something out of this. Okay, MEV blocker is as simple as changing the RPC to somewhere else that are making the bots work for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it there, and I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more videos like this, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.